If you want to set up a VPN on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra, then the first thing that you can do is you can simply open settings on your phone, go to connections in here, and then we're gonna proceed to the more connections settings. In here we can find the VPN option, and usually, of course, by default there are no profiles created in here. You can create a VPN profile by using this plus button in the upper right corner. You can fill everything in if you have all the information needed to create the VPN profile, and then you can use it. However, most likely you don't have the necessary information that allows you to create and add the VPN profile, hence why you might want to go to the Play Store instead, and you might want to search for a VPN app. If you search for VPN, you can find many different apps and that of course allow you to use the VPN. Most of them are free. They provide different features, of course, so you can try any of them. Let's say we're gonna use this one. We can install it. The setup is usually really simple. You just have to follow the instructions that you will see on the screen, and then you should be able to use the VPN on your phone. In this case, for example, this VPN app allows me to not even use an account. I can just use as a guest over here. I can proceed. Of course, there are some premium offers that are promoted by the app, but we don't have to use them. We can just tap on Not Now. And then we can connect to a server and hide, of course, our IP. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.